Welcome to the home of your dreams. Every detail carefully considered and selected, from the eco-friendly hardwood on the floors to the shade of paint on the walls. Truly an investment for now and the future. But the home of today can offer so much more than the usual appointments. Advancements in intelligent lighting, climate control, entertainment delivery, security, and monitoring allow you to interact with your home in ways previously only dreamed of. Today, you're able to create a home that will cater to your particular daily routine. A home that will enrich your family's unique lifestyle. Automation that puts lighting and climate control in the palm of your hand. Your favorite songs accessible in any room of the house at the press of a button. Movies or concerts experienced like never before in the comfort of your home. Cutting-edge security and surveillance. We at Design Electronics are here to make those dreams a reality. We specialize in designing, installing, and servicing the various electronic systems incorporated in today's modern home. For over 30 years, Design Electronics has led the industry in making state-of-the-art technology accessible, providing user-friendly electronic solutions to clients of all sizes. Our mission is to exceed expectations, delivering an efficient product on time and on budget. Please explore our website for details on our broad range of services. Design Electronics. If you can imagine it, we can design, install, and service it.